Check out this pre-owned 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche 2500. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. This 4-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 8.1-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 140,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include CD changer, MP3 player, satellite radio, automatic climate control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, OnStar, and power windows.